if you can consider that this type of question will come, that if the question is calculate the CFSE, you just only calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. But if the question tells us that calculate both the CFSE and pairing energy, so you must mention that calculate the CFSE and pairing energy both. So as for example, from the slide, just go through this part. This is the slide. This slide, if you go through it, you understand that D1 octahedral के लिए CFSE is -0.4 डेलो, D2 octahedral के लिए CFSE is -0.48 डेलो, D3 के लिए CFSE is -1.2 डेलो, but D4 हाई स्पिन के लिए -0.6 डेलो, but D4 लो स्पिन के लिए CFSE is -1.6 डेलो plus 1p. Here we mention 1p. If you consider D5 low spin के लिए क्या हो रहा है, -2.0 डेलो plus 2p. D6 low spin के लिए -2.4 डेलो plus 2p. D7 low spin के लिए -1.8 डेलो plus 1p. If you go through different observation, you observe that कुछ book में और कुछ lecture में they mention that this is -2.4 डेलो plus 3p. This is not wrong, but I am point to point discuss first of all why this analogy we follow. We will follow this analogy, or you can follow different analogy also. So first of all, we discuss that how this analogy and how this came to calculate the CFSE and pairing energy, both the cases. So first of all, if you go through this, you understand this section. Say I am writing here D4 low spin -1.6 डेलो plus 1p. If this is the situation, in that case, how we can write down this pairing energy? Say I am writing here. Come to this part. As for example, say D4 configuration we consider. बताओ D4 configuration low spin में क्या होगा? Octahedral field में D4 low spin में क्या होगा बताओ? T2G में पेयरिंग होगा, ठीक है? T2G में कितना आएगा?
T2G में
आ जाएगा मैम.
Exactly. So in T2G, 4 electron will be present because the gap is D4 low spin complex. So we can consider that this is the situation 1, 2, 3. The extra electron should not cross this gap and it will be paired here and it will generate the low spin case, D4 low spin. Now we want to calculate the CFSE of the D4 low spin state. And D4 low spin के लिए this is the low spin complex. तो बताओ क्या होगा CFSE? How many electrons are present in the T2G level? कितना electron present है T2G level में बताओ?
4 electrons.
4. Very good answer. 4 electrons. So 4 into क्या होगा level बताओ? 4 into 0. -4 into क्या होगा?
-0.4.
-0.4. I have already put the minus sign here. So this is -0.4 del O. This is okay. But आप एक चीज देखो, यहाँ पे लिखा रहा है 1 पेयरिंग. एक में पेयरिंग हो गया है, एक में पेयरिंग हो गया है. तो एक ही पेयरिंग हुआ इसलिए क्या लिखा 1. एक ही पेयरिंग हुआ इसलिए लिखा 1p. Is it clear? 1p means 1 pairing. It is the pairing energy. P stands for pairing energy. Is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yes
So
ma'am.
we can
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so we can write down that this should be -1.6 del O plus 1p. 1p or p? You can write down 1p or p. So it
Excuse
is
me,
the
ma'am.
हाँ बताओ.
Here it's given that it's 0 point. Is it 0.4, ma'am? In this list you have given, no?
क्या? It is given 0.16. This is the in the
Yes.
list.
Oh,
D for low
okay, ma'am.
spin. D for low spin ना है ये.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? But if you consider this is D for high spin, what will be the situation for the D for high spin में क्या होगा? D for high spin में देखो. ऊपर में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा बताओ. D for high spin में क्या होगा?
मैम
One?
3
मैम,
2 में
लेवल में
एक
एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाएगा.
Exactly. So it should be. बताओ कैलकुलेट करके क्या होगा? एनर्जी नीचे 3 है. That means 0.4 into 3. 0.4 into 3 plus 0.4 into 3 plus 0.6. ऊपर में क्या है? एक ही है 0.6. So it should be 0 minus 0.6 delta O. It should be minus 0.6 delta O. Is it clear? Is it clear? अच्छा
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे कोई ओके यहाँ पे कोई पेयरिंग एनर्जी है?
No,
कोई
ma'am.
pairing?
No,
No
ma'am.
pairing energy. So I am last class I have already told you that एक second कुछ I think few students are waiting in this. So here I mentioned that D4 high spin and D4 low spin का केस में क्या होगा? D4 low spin में क्या है? आप एक this is your observation that low spin complex में this is the pairing. High spin में कोई pairing नहीं, generally high spin में pairing नहीं होता है. First of all, according to the Hund's rule, there is a fulfillment of the electron one by one. Then if there is extra electron, then there is a question for pairing. So low spin में, if you consider this is the low spin complex, in that case, we observe that T2G में how many electrons will present? 1, 2, 3. But gap इतना बड़ा है, it will not cross this barrier and it will come here and one pairing will be there for D4 low spin complex. Is it clear? One pairing will be there. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
how many electrons are there? 2, 1, 1, 4. Difference क्या है? Minus 0.4. So 4 into minus 0.4, that is minus 1.6 del O. This is del O for the octahedral complex. One pairing is there, just only one pairing. So we write down that this is 1p. The result is minus 1.6 del O plus 1p. This is the calculation for CFSE with pairing energy for D4 high spin. And you know this thing, D1, D2, D3 के case में कोई no question of pairing is there. Now if you consider D4 low, D4 high spin में क्या होगा? देखो मैंने यहाँ पे gap बढ़ा दिया, but high spin में क्या होगा? Gap is very small. If the gap is small, so 1, 2, 3 electron fulfillment होने के बाद one extra electron it will go for the EG level in the octahedral complex. And if it will go for the EG level of the octahedral complex, so definitely so it will go for the octahedral complex. So definitely it will go here. And after to this section, there is no pairing. No pairing is there. So the CFSE should be 3 electron present है T2G level में. So T2G level का energy क्या है? बताओ क्या होगा T2G level का energy? Hello? Hello?
मैम 0.6.
T2G level का energy क्या है?
मैम ये मैम -1.2 होगा
minus
T2G का।
हाँ मैं अच्छा आप
0.4.
फाइनली बता रहे हो, ठीक है, ओके, सो वी कैन गेट द -0.6. सो इसके बाद इफ यू कंसिडर व्हाट हैपेंस फॉर D5 लो स्पिन, इफ यू गो फॉर द D5 लो स्पिन के लिए वी कैन गो थ्रू इट एंड वी राइट डाउन हियर फॉर D5 लो स्पिन. D5 low spin, I come to this part to mention it for D5 low spin. D5 हाई स्पिन में पहले बताओ क्या होगा, बताओ D5 हाई स्पिन में क्या होगा बताओ. What is the CFSE?
मैम 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो है स्पिन में, T2G में आएगा, 2 EG में जाएगा।
0 होगा मैम।
CFSE क्या आएगा? D5 हाई स्पिन में CFSE is 0. कोई पेयरिंग है? कोई ऑर्बिटल में कोई पेयर?
No, ma'am.
No pairing
No.
is there. But D5 low spin के केस में what we can consider for D5 low spin में?
दो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर होगा।
2 इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा T2G में पेयरिंग में, और इजी लेवल में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयरिंग में नहीं होगा, नहीं है।
Very good answer. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Gap is so high, 5. It is clear? So 5 electrons
Yes,
are present in the T2G level. Now please tell me how will you calculate the CFSE I think internet connection is slow in that for the students. So for this section, this is the case, and please tell me what is the CFSE value for D5 low spin. CFSE value बताओ क्या होगा?
minus 2.0
into 5.
-2.0.
Minus 0.4 into 5 into 5 del O plus क्या होगा बताओ?
2p.
2p
होगा.
2p is the pairing. So your answer is minus 2.0 2p. Pairing दो pairing हो रहा है, so it is 2p. Is it clear? Any doubt anyone? Any question regarding this? Any doubt anyone regarding these two slides? Yes? Any doubt anyone?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
No मैम।
Okay. So now I come to the part another for D6, because D5 D6 में there must be some difference. देखो D5 में क्या आया वैल्यू? D5 में आपका इधर वैल्यू इज -2.0 डेलो प्लस 2p, बट D2 will भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो जाएगा इफ यू कंसिडर D6 लो स्पिन एंड D6 हाई स्पिन का केस में, एंड D7 लो स्पिन, D7 हाई स्पिन का केस में. So this will be very important part. I just write down here D6 low spin first. Say for D6 low spin में पहले बताओ D6 हाई स्पिन का केस में क्या होगा? D6
मैम T2G में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे और उसमें EG में दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे.
D6 high spin, okay. That means I am right here. We can consider that 1 electron, 2 electron, high spin. It will cross this 1 electron and इसमें एक electron आ गया. This is for high spin. Is it true? Is it clear? High
Yes,
spin
ma'am.
के लिए. Low spin में क्या होगा? D6 low spin में बताओ क्या होगा? Gap is so high that D6 low spin में
T2G में सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स.
exactly T2G में
तीन pairing होगा.
हाँ 3 पेयरिंग होगा, ठीक है, 3 पेयरिंग will be there, ठीक है. Now, what is the value of, this is for D6 low spin. CFSE D6 हाई स्पिन में कैलकुलेट करके बताओ, D6 हाई स्पिन में क्या क्या CFSE होगा?
मैम -0.4 डेलो प्लस 1
माइनस 0.4 इंटू 4
4
डेलो प्लस
0.6 into 2
0.6 into 2, very good, 0.6 into 2
plus 1p
plus del O, this is the total del O, plus 1p. Now there is a question of 1p लिखेंगे क्या नहीं p कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे? There is a rule. I just first of all I am writing here 1p. I will tell you. This is, there are two methodology, two types to write down the pairing energy are there. So either if you mention this is 1p, this is okay, no problem. But यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करो कितना आ रहा है बताओ?
3 pairing energy.
minus 2.4 into 6
minus
plus
2.4
minus 2.4 डेलो into 3p
plus into
Oh,
not
sorry,
into
yeah.
plus 3p है?
sorry.
Okay, good. Okay, plus 3p. इस बार देखो, there are, मैंने बोला था आपको जो दो रूल है, either you can write down it is as minus 2.4 डेलो plus 3p, it is correct. But if you write down this is 3p, you should mention that this is as this is as 1p. You should mention here 1p. This is one of the trick. Or you can write down, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं mention करोगे, don't write anything, 1p हाई स्पिन के लिए. बट यहाँ पे कितना देखो, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी वन इज फिल्ड अप विथ पेयरिंग. सो यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा पेयरिंग क्या है? दो एक्स्ट्रा पेयरिंग है. सो यू शुड राइट डाउन दिस इज एज 2p. So I am following the second one. You can follow any of them, either first one or second one. This is your choice. But I am telling you that there are two rules are there how we can calculate the CFSE. So I am following this one. That means D5 high spin में मैं कुछ नहीं D5 high spin में तो कुछ नहीं है. D6 high spin में मैंने कोई P incorporate नहीं किया. But इसीलिए क्या किया, D6 में दिखा दिया minus 2.4 डेलो plus 2p. Is it clear?
yes ma'am.
अच्छा, D7 में क्या सिचुएशन होगा बताओ? D7 में I am just calculating this one for D7 also. चलो D7. D7 system, okay. If you consider D7 high spin में क्या होगा बताओ?
T2G5 EG2
T2G में दो सिमेट्रिकल होगा और EG लेवल में कोई सिमेट्री नहीं होगा.
That means we can consider that T2G में 3 हाई स्पिन. पहले एक एक करके अकॉर्डिंग टू Hume's rule फिल अप होगा. इसके बाद क्या होगा? यहाँ पे this is the situation. This is the section we can consider for D7 high spin. D7 high spin के लिए CFSE क्या होगा with pairing energy? Please tell me what happens for CFSE and D7 high spin and low spin. Low spin में क्या होगा देखो? This is for D7 low spin.
minus 1.8 डेलो plus 1p
1p किसमें? अच्छा, D7 low spin में. very good answer. That means दो 6 हो गया, यहाँ पे आ गया 1. So either you can write down D7 high spin के लिए if you consider how many electrons, that is 5 electrons. So 5 into 0.4 minus 0.4 minus 2.0. ऊपर में कितना है? 2 2 into 0.6, that means 1.2. कितना आ गया? D7 high spin में बताओ कितना होगा? कैलकुलेट करो. D7 high spin CFSE
minus 0.8
0.8.
अच्छा, minus 0.8. और कितना पेयरिंग होगा? D7 हाई स्पिन में
मैम
तो-
नो पेयरिंग।
नो पेयरिंग।
हाँ मैम, अगर दूसरा वाला करे तो
हाँ, दूसरा वाला करें तो नो पेयरिंग, सो वी कैन कंसीडर दिस इज द -0.8 डेल ओ। ओके, बट दूसरा वी आर कंसीडर फॉर सेकेंड वन। और यहाँ पे कितना होगा बताओ? 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर। 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देयर मीन्स कितना होगा? कैलकुलेशन करके D7 में
-1.8 प्लस 1p।
that means -6 into 0.4 minus 2.4 plus 0.6, so that is -1.8 del O plus कितना पेयरिंग है एक्स्ट्रा?
1p।
One pairing.
Because this and this will cut. This is same and this is the extra pairing, so we can consider that this is 1p if you follow this. Or if you go for this different value, so it should be first one, it should be how many pairing? 2p is there, and in that case it should be 3p is there. Is it clear? Any doubt, anyone? Any question regarding this?
Ma'am, will you repeat this D7 low spin one once again?
D7 low spin में क्या हो रहा है? In case of D7 low spin, how many electrons are there? 7 electrons. So 2 6 यहाँ पे fill up होगा, extra electron ऊपर में जाएगा, because there is no question for in a particular orbital there should be 3 electron. It is not possible. 3 electron अगर यहाँ पे fill up हो जाएगा, 2 extra electron will go for this state. So D7, this is called the D7 low spin. In case of the D7 low spin configuration, T2G में how many electrons are there? T2G में 6 electrons are there. So
6 electrons, yes.
So 6 into -0.24, sorry, -0.4, that is -2.4 हो गया यहाँ पे. And EG में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 1.
1.
So 1 into 0.6. EG का लेवल क्या है? 0.6. So -2.4 plus 0.6 del O is equal to -1.8 del O plus how many pairing is there? 1 pairing, 2 pairing, 3 pairing. You can write down this is 3p. There is no wrong information is there. If you write down 3p, it is correct. If you write down here, if you mention that it is the just only no pairing is there, we should not consider second one. We should consider the second one. So in that case, it should be 1p. So either if you follow this is 2p and this should be 3p, or you can follow no p is there is just only 1p incorporation. This is the simple result for D7. Now we can consider another part for the D8 configuration. D8 configuration के लिए we go for this. D8 configuration के लिए क्या होगा बता सकते हो? This is
0.
D8 के लिए क्या होगा? 0. क्या 0 में क्या आएगा बताओ?
पेयरिंग एनर्जी मैम इसमें एक भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है.
Exactly. So we can consider that. I just come to that. देखो वो जो टेबल है, वो टेबल में कोई D8 के लिए कुछ नहीं मेंशन है. D8 के लिए कुछ मेंशन नहीं है. So we can go for it. D8 configuration. And if I write down here for your understanding, this is the D8 के लिए. देखो, here I mentioned that this is D8. Okay. If the D8 configuration high spin low spin, कोई difference है high spin low spin में? कोई difference है D8 में?
No, ma'am.
So if you go for 1, 2, I am just considering high spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. बताओ इसमें क्या होगा? नीचे 3 रहेगा, ऊपर में 2 रहेगा. If you consider this is the low spin में क्या होगा? नीचे 3 अगर पेयरिंग हो जाएगा, इसके बाद 2 1 1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. ठीक है? That is why Young-Taylor distortion is not possible in the D8 configuration. You know this thing because there is no symmetry breakup in the D8 configuration. So in that case D8 के लिए how many pairing is there? यहाँ पे देखो 3. You can write down, there are 2 options. You can represent this one by the pairing energy. D8 के लिए कितना pairing energy? High spin low spin में कोई difference है D8 में? High spin और low spin है?
No ma'am.
कोई difference नहीं है high spin low spin में. So हाँ, so you should not. कुछ book में आप देखोगे जो as there is no mention of the difference, no difference between the high spin and low spin between this pairing. So you should mention it. There is no pairing, nothing, because in that case high spin, low spin, there is same number of pairing. So these are the cut down, and we are follow the second information, second observation. No pairing is there. Okay. D9 में क्या होगा बताओ? D9 में this is the situation, no pairing, and D10 में we should not consider. So up to D7 you have to consider it. Up to D7 you have to consider it. So D8, D9, D10 is insignificant regarding this purpose. Now we solve this easy. Most I am just giving you the example. आपका एग्जाम में क्या आ सकता है? Different configuration आ सकता है. That यहाँ पे MnH2O6 3+ mention किया. Question में आ सकता है FeH2O6 3+, and you have to calculate this. I just go for this problem, and you have to solve this one also. Say calculate CFSE for the complex MnH2O6 3+ in the both strong and weak field ligand. I have already told you that H2O, this type of ligand sometimes behave as weak field, sometimes behave as strong field. That is the question. So यहाँ पे क्या mention किया है? Calculate CFSE for the complex MnH2O6 3+ in both strong and weak field. Strong field के लिए भी निकालना है, weak field के लिए निकालना है. तो Mn3+ system में how many electrons are present? Mn में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन how many electrons present Mn3+ में?
मैम D5.
3d4.
Exactly. Mn3+ is a D4. I am just telling you, please at least go for the transition element का D1, D2, D3. आपका बहुत जरूरी है. Mn3+, इसको याद रखना.
नंबर कैलकुलेट करने के बाद D4 आएगा.
हाँ, that means it is the Mn3+ is the D4 system. Mn3+, if you know that Mn2+ is the D5 system, it is well known. Mn3+ is the D4 system, and when it is, देखो यहाँ पे क्या given है? Pairing energy also given. So you have to calculate the CFSE in respect of pairing energy and the CFSE value also. Now let us try how we can solve this problem. This is very easy. Say, if this is the D4 system, D4 system अगर है, तो we can go for it D4. This is the D4 system. Now I'm just take it a different way. In that portion, it will be better. D4 system है ना? D4 high spin, D4 low spin. You will give me the answer. D4 high spin. High spin में how many electrons will present? Please tell me. High spin में CFSE क्या होगा?
T2G3 EG1.
Exactly. तो T2G3 EG1 high spin में. So the CFSE will be minus 0.4
4 into
3 del O plus 0.6. Clear? So
Yes,
this is, so the value is minus 0.6 del O. हो गया? देखो यहाँ पे जो when you go for the previous slide, it is mentioned that, क्या mention किया यहाँ पे? डेलो का वैल्यू गिवन है 21,000 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स इज डेलो. 21,000 सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स इज डेलो. सो वी कैन राइट डाउन दैट. डेलो का प्लेस में क्या भी इट शुड बी minus 0.6 into, sorry, minus sign will be there, 21,000 centimeter inverse. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for D4 low spin. I am writing here D4 low spin. This is for D4 low spin. ठीक है, D4 low spin के लिए, that means low spin means you know this. This is the weak field ligand or strong field ligand.
Strong field ligand.
Exactly. So please mention this type of problem when come. Please mention that this is the strong. I am just write down that SF. That is for strong field ligand. Is it clear? Clear? And you just tell me that what is the value minus 0.6 into 1000 centimeter inverse, because डेलो का unit centimeter inverse में आएगा, calculate करके जो मिलेगा, this is your answer for, this is the CFSE, because there is no question for the pairing energy in case of the D4 high spin. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can, now we can come to the D4 low spin. Low spin means D4 low spin में क्या होगा? अरे हाई स्पिन,
D4.
अरे इखाने क्या किया? हाई स्पिन लिखा दिख रहा है ना? हाई स्पिन मींस वीक फील्ड लिगैंड ना? ऑफ वीक फील्ड लिगैंड होगा ना? हाई स्पिन मींस वीक फील्ड लिगैंड. गैप विल बी लोअर. लोअर गैप कब होगा? जब व्हेन इट इज वीक फील्ड लिगैंड. लो स्पिन में इसके बाद क्या होगा? D4 लो स्पिन वी कंसीडर. लिगैंड बताओ क्या होगा?
T2G4 हो जाएगा strong.
Exactly. So that means we can consider that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the low spin. Low spin means strong field ligand. Strong field ligand is ligand SL for strong field. So the value will be minus 0.4.
4 into 4.
Minus 0.4 into 4. Very good. प्लस क्या होगा बताओ? पेयरिंग एनर्जी क्या है?
P.
1P.
It should be minus 1.6. डेलो का पोजीशन में क्या आएगा बताओ? डेलो क्या है? क्या गिवन है? 21,000 I think.
21,000.
Centimeter inverse. It should be 21,000 plus 1 pairing energy क्या given है बताओ? Pairing energy क्या है? 20 देखो तो क्या है? 28,000 I think pairing energy is. $28,800. So the value should be 28,800 centimeter inverse. And I think you can get the idea how could you calculate the CFSE, and this type of problem you can solve. Is it clear? Any doubt anyone regarding this? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt. Any question, anyone, anything else from today's discussion? Any question? So I just give you the few minutes left. So I just give you the description regarding the new thing. This is called the color of the complex. Basic idea about the color of the complex, because from Friday we will start the color of the complex. Anyone from the class, can you explain that? Why most of the transition metal elements are colored? Can you give the idea of why most of the transition metal complexes are colored?
Due to DD transition.
Very
The
good.
energy.
Or?
Because ma'am, difference in energy between the 2G and EG.
Or?
And the splitting of electron takes place.
That means you can expect that when if it is if it is degenerate state, all the levels are same in energy. You can expect lots of color. You can expect this. Color is possible.
Except D0 and D10.
That means degeneracy when lost in the octahedral complex, you know that degeneracy will be lost in the octahedral complex. When the degeneracy is lost in the octahedral complex, you get the T2G and EG. This level will be separated. This level will be separated. Now, when the light falls upon the complex, then what happens? The, say, sunlight or simple light, it will absorb this light, and after the absorption, electrons get excited, and from T2G level, they give for the transition, and after their transition, they come to the EG level. Then few times back, they come to release their energy, and what happens from EG level, they come to the T2G level. So this type of transition is the most important part for the color of the complex. Different color, because transition metals are very colorful. This is very interesting. Transitions metals are very colorful. Now I just tell you just 2 minutes something, that what do you mean by why the complementary wheel and why the color of the complex, and color of the complex why depends on the CFSE value. That means CFSE value means अगर color CFSE value के ऊपर depend करेगा, so definitely color must be depend on the crystal field stabilization energy of the complex. That means this depends on the nature of the ligand, this depends on the metal used, this depends on the principal quantum number, etc. So if I give you the idea that ZnH2O whole 6 2 plus, zinc H2O whole 6 2 plus, or zinc 2 plus system, this system is colorless. Anyone can explain this, why this system is colorless? Zn2 plus system, why it is colorless? Anybody from the class? Why Zn2 plus system is colorless?
Because in Zn2 plus DD
no
take place.
No,
And
क्या
because
होगा?
there is
unpaired
no
electron.
ligand.
Because DD electron transaction do not take place due to the fulfill of all the levels of T2G and EG.
Ma'am, Zn2 plus is
Good
detailed
answer.
configuration.
Exactly. And already, and this answer already given, very good answer from there. That means D10 configuration. Just think. Yes, very good. No vacancy. That means D10 configuration, it is already filled up. No transition is possible. So symmetric. So it is generally we observed colorless. But if you consider the very well-known example for this complex is TiH2O whole 6 3 plus. Titanium, TiH2O whole 6 3 plus. It is generally purple in color. I observed this type of colorful color is there, but if different example are there, some complexes are blue, some complexes are red, some are green. But why this complex is few complexes red in color, few complexes green in color? There must be some reason. So from the what is the reason behind it? If you consider this one, you understand that color of the complex, the colors exhibited by most transition metal complexes arising from the splitting of the d orbital. Now this wheel you have to read from that section to determine the color of the complex. This wheel is called the complementary color wheel. This is called the complementary color wheel. Before the discussion of the color of the transition metal complex, I will request you, please remember this complementary color wheel. This is very important part to know that why this few compounds are blue in color, few are red, few are green. You can explain this from the complementary color wheel. And if you go for the complementary color wheel, you observe that which one has highest in the complementary color wheel, which one has highest wavelength, which one has highest wavelength, which color has highest? No? बताओ क्या है? Given है ना?
5 more.
देखो, red is there. Red का complementary color क्या है? Green. Red ka complementary color is green. So if you consider any complex absorbs red color, it will be green or greenish in color. It shows दैट मीन्स कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स अगर रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ का, रेड कलर जो वेवलेंथ में पड़ता है दैट इज 750 to 650 नैनोमीटर, ये वेवलेंथ का कलर अगर एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स, सो इट एक कॉम्प्लेक्स खुद का क्या कलर आएगा, कॉम्प्लेक्स का कलर आएगा ए रेड का जो कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी कलर है वो कलर आएगा। दैट मीन्स रेड अगर कलर आर एब्सॉर्ब बाय द कॉम्प्लेक्स, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी कलर क्या होगा, इट शुड बी ग्रीन or based on the green color. If any compound it will absorbs a violet color light, it show the yellow color. Or if any complex it will absorbs the yellow color light, it will shows itself as violet color, violet or purple color. So this is called the basic complementary color wheel. So before this discussion will start in the class, you must go through this, and that red का complementary color green है, yellow का है violet, and orange. This is not this is mentioned that this is O is mentioned. This is the orange, but color is not perfectly orange here. You must read that blue का color is blue का complementary color is orange. So from today's discussion, you must remember that अगर कोई भी complex orange एब्सॉर्ब किया उसको दिखेगा क्या, कैसे दिखाएगा, ब्लू कलर। अगर कोई complex रेड कलर एब्सॉर्ब किया उसको कैसे दिखाएगा, ग्रीन। दैट मीन्स रेड का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर इज ग्रीन, वायलेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर इज येलो, ऑरेंज का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर इज ब्लू। इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So from the next class, that means Friday, I will start from this section and I will suggest you that please go through this complementary color wheel. Then we can go for the explanation of different types of, देखो ये जो बोला था अभी, this green absorbs in green yellow and looks purple, TiH2 whole 60 plus. We'll explain this type of section. It will, huge things are there, on depends on CFSE, color will change. Lots of questions may possible from this section also. So please read this section, what is complementary color wheel. So up to this, if you have any doubt, you may ask me the question, and after the class, you may ask me the question. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.